You know how to invest in ads, teams, and systems, but you overlook the one investment that multiplies everything: your relationship. Here's why. My fiance has generated over $1.5 million in revenue in just under 1.5 years, and he says he couldn't have done it without my support. Even when he doubted himself, I kept believing in him. That belief helped him rise. That's why I do what I do, to help driven men like yourself build relationships that multiply their success. As an ambitious man like you are, I'm sure you've been to conference after conference, spoke to mentor after mentor. But what if I told you that the solution or the opportunity actually hits a lot closer to home? That's the relationship you have with your wife. You wouldn't hire someone for your business and never communicate with them, pour into them, or acknowledge their value. Yet, so many men do that with their wives. Your relationship is either your greatest liability or your greatest ROI. When your relationship is thriving, everything in your business flows better. Your mind is clear, you're calmer, you're more focused, you make decisions faster because you're not just constantly distracted by tension at home. But if your relationship is off, you're second guessing yourself all the time. You're emotionally drained. You might be achieving, but it's with friction instead of flow. So let me ask you this. Would you ignore your top performing asset? Then stop under-investing in your marriage. The effort, presence, and intention you bring to your relationship multiplies your business. You reap in business what you sow at home. If you've been investing in your business, but not your relationship, it's time to change that to see greater results. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. Book a call now. The link to book is in the description. Here's what I've seen over and over again. When a man prioritizes his relationship, not just with time, but with emotional leadership, his whole life levels up. His woman becomes more supportive. His home becomes a place of peace, and his capacity to lead, scale, and perform multiplies. Why? Because your nervous system can only take so much pressure. When your relationship becomes a source of relief instead of stress, you free up energy to dominate in business. Most men think success will fix the marriage. But in reality, a connected, supportive marriage amplifies your success. You already know how to invest smart. Now it's time to invest where it matters most. If you want your relationship to become your secret weapon, not your silent struggle, let's build the relationship that fuels the empire you're called to lead. Click the link in the description to book a call now. I'll see you there.